Hello and welcome. Welcome to TV Room. Dave Bradley here. I promised before that I would show how to make sure that a power supply that's reading a bad voltage on the 5-volt side will not hurt a Commodore 64 ever again. Now, just to make sure that I have the right one, I will plug this in, and then I will take this tester made by Rudy from Rudy's Retro Info, and we'll see that instead of reading 5 point something, a little bit over 5, it's reading 11.1 volts. Now, this procedure, we must unplug this. This procedure will absolutely guarantee that never again will a power supply like this that's gone bad hurt your Commodore 64. Some would say we have to open up the bottom and dig into the epoxy. Some would say we have to get a 64 saver that it's a thing that plugs in before the power supply, and then it checks the voltage, and if it's too high, it says, no, don't do that. The solution is much simpler than that, and much faster, and permanent. And as I say, never again will this power supply, which could work on a VIC 20 or a Commodore 64, will it hurt the power supply. So here is this is where the cord plugs into the 64. And this goes into the wall, a nice 3-prong plug. And these are pliers. So what you do to ensure that this will never hurt another 64 again is, and this is a quick adjustment with these pliers, believe me, it does not take long. You take the pliers, you place them over the cord, and then you have to give it a bit of a tweak, and then snap. Look at that. It's gone. And then on the other end of the cord, it's a very similar procedure. You get it deep into the jaws, and you push. And now, absolutely guaranteed, this power supply will never hurt a Commodore machine again, ever. Shaboom. And these cords, I always tend to save these, and I will put them in a box of cords. Maybe at next year's World of Commodore, I will get rid of some. I'm going to wrap this all up together, pop this through, and it's done. I've always thought I could use these to extend things or do something. Have I ever done it? No. But once again, here, power supply for a Commodore 64 or a VIC 20 that takes the same power supply. It's fixed. Never, ever, ever will it hurt a machine again. Have a lovely day. Bye for now.